Educational content, understanding IRS Form 1310, claiming a refund for a deceased person. Either YouTube. So in this video, I wanted to cover the IRS Form 1310 to claim a refund for a deceased taxpayer, so I think there's a lot of confusion around when this is necessary. In most cases, it normally is not required. If let's say, you have a parent or grandparent that passes away and you're appointed as their personal representative. If you look at the will and see that you're appointed as a personal representative and the court approves it, you do not need to file this form. You can just file their tax return on their behalf and then attach a copy of the appointment or the will to the tax return. Normally that is sufficient. The IRS will issue you a refund check. This is really needed. If you don't have any of that, an example of where that can happen is in cases where persons pass away and they don't have a will. If you pass away and you don't have a will and the estate must be probated, and then the court will appoint somebody. But not every estate gets probated. In Florida, for example, if you pass away and your estate is worth less than, let's say, $75,000, the new standard, and you don't have to probate the estate, the court will appoint a Mexican or family member, and they will take over. That's where this form would be necessary. In this example here, we have John Q. Taxpayer passed away in October 2020, and so his son is going to be the one filing the return and claiming the refund on his behalf. John Q's estate was worth, let's say, $50,000, and he never had a will. So, the son will file the return, claiming a refund on his behalf, and then pay it out to all the beneficiaries that would inherit the estate. To complete this form, in this case, we're checking box C. John Q. Taxpayer is not a surviving spouse or a court-appointed or certified personal representative. Fill out Part 2, sign and date it, then mail it to the IRS along with the tax return. Of course, you still have to file the final Form 1044 for John Q. Taxpayer for his final year and up until his date of death. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. Thank you. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us, and neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.